Hello, it is my document. My name is Dora. It is my house. There is in a dining room in my house. There is a living room in my house. There are two rooms in my house. There is a kitchen in my house. There is a bed in my room. There is a closet in my room. There is a fan in my room. There is a bed in my daughter's room. There is a teddy frog in my daughter's room. There are two sofas in my living room. There is a TV in my living room. There is a dining room in my living room. The kitchen. There is a fridge in my kitchen. There is a stove in my kitchen. Thank you.